Would you like to be part of a sector that is taking off? The Business Accelerator for the Aeronautics and Unmanned Aerial Vehicle sector of Galicia is launching its third annual event. BFAero consists of 12 supported projects and a total of 94 nominations from its 2 previous editions. Fostered by the Xunta within the framework of the Civil WAFs initiative, BFAero is the entrepreneurial and talent support program from the Aerospace Hub of Galicia. Our vision is to make Galicia the reference in the European Union for open and disruptive innovation in the unmanned vehicle sector. If you have a project which meets the demands of the sector, you can register in multiple thematic areas in this edition. With new and innovative ideas to combat COVID-19. Make it a reality with us. You will have mentoring from leading companies, the greatest investment per project from the entire European Union, access to facilities and infrastructure, accredited flight time and pilot certification. You will follow in the wake of 12 projects already fostered by our program. Register your idea before October 22nd at 2 p.m. Come join a sector which is taking off. Business Factory Aero.